Hi everyone. A little chilly, so let's sit by the fire and read a story. This one is called Eating the Alphabet, because remember we're talking about some healthy food. And it's fruits and vegetables from A to Z. It's written by Lois Elhart. There are some foods in here I don't know. I'll have to learn them. So I might say them wrong. But we're all learning. Oh, look at this funny picture. They made a face with fruit. Apple to Z, apple to zucchini, come to take a look. Start eating your way through this alphabet book. I hear some rhyme there. Look book. Oh boy, let's see if we can get a lot of this in here. I don't know. A is for apricot, artichoke, avocado, asparagus, and apple. B is for blueberry, Brussels sprouts, bean, beet, broccoli, bananas. They all start B. C is for currant, corn, celery, cucumber, carrot, cherry, cabbage, and cauliflower. Cauliflower starts with C. D, date. Then for E, I guess they just have one for D, date. E is endive, it's like a greens, and eggplant. And F is for fig. G is for gooseberry, grapefruit, and grapes. H is for huckleberry. I is for Indian corn. You may have seen that as a decoration. So pretty. And J is for jalapeno and jicama. Usually J makes the J sound, but in these words, the J makes H, like an H. K is for kumquat, kiwi fruit, and kohlrabi. L is for leeks, lemon, lettuce, and lime. M is for melon, mango. N is for nectarine. That's this one right here. O is for okra, orange, and onion. Oh, there are lots for P. Peep, peach, pineapple, pear, papaya, persimmon, pomegranate, plum. After P comes, oh, there's another P. There's more P's. Parsnip, potato, peas, peppers, pumpkin. That's a lot of P words. Now after P comes Q. And there's only one for Q. Quince. Never had a quince. For R, we have raspberry and rutabaga and radish. And rhubarb and and radicchio. Now for S, we have Swiss chard. I don't know if I've ever had that. Star fruit. It really does look like a star. Spinach. Strawberries. And then we move on to the letter T. And T, they have turnips, tomatoes, and tangerines. Now for the letter U, they just have one, and it's called the ugly fruit. I don't know if it's really ugly. Kind of a sad name for it, but I bet it tastes good. V is for vegetable marrow. I don't think I've ever had that before. Have you? W is for watermelon and watercress. Now here's one. When I look at this, this is letter X, and I look at this, it looks like a watermelon, but it's spelled with this X, and I can only think that you would say it sigua or sigua, but I don't know. That's a word I don't know how to read. Y is for yam, and Z is for zucchini. Then, if you wanted to know more about that food, of those vegetables, I can go to the back and they'll tell me all about it. So I'm curious about ugly fruit. So I'm going to look and find where ugly fruit is, and it's under PQRST, and it's in U. Ugly fruit. Ugly fruit is thought to be from Far East and to Jamaica. It grows on a tree, and it's supposed to taste kind of like a tangerine and a grapefruit. And they pronounce it oogly fruit. We learned something new.